Welcome back, and some days ago I dropped a mind-blowing video on how you can make up to $200 every week and up to $1,000 every month. And most people that took action are already making money from it. Like me that took action some days ago, I've already made over $200 from this platform within the last 14 days. And don't forget that when I come to my auto trade history, you'll be able to see my $216 which I deposited at the beginning of the first video, you understand? And it's still printing some profit for me. And you can see that within the last 24 hours, I've made $10.27 from this platform alone, you understand? So that means my XB account is valued around $400 to $450, and this is still going to run for the next few weeks, and it is going to expire on the 23rd of October, which is in the next 3 weeks or 2 weeks, you understand? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to place your withdrawal from this platform to any of your exchanges you are using, and also I'm going to show you how you can place a manual trade which can be done without them holding your money for 30 days, you understand? And it is still profitable because I've tried it and I've made up to like 2% every day from it, you understand? But before I proceed, please make sure you like this video and drop a sub to the channel for more free informative content like this, and also join my Telegram community where you can get more updates even before I upload them here on YouTube. So with that being said, let's move. Now, as you might already know from my previous video, Exby.io is a multifunctional arbitrage platform that uses advanced AI to take advantage of crypto prices from multiple crypto exchanges. And there are two major ways this platform generates money to keep the system running. The first way is by using your capital to trade arbitrage opportunity. Then the profit generated will be shared among you and the company. That is how they make money from this platform. And the other way is by their premium plan, which means that if you subscribe on their premium plan, which is $300, they also generate money from there to keep the system running. So for you to get started on this platform, you just have to click the first link below this video, then it will take you to this sign up page. You just have to enter your nickname or your username, your email address and your password, and make sure that your upline is simply DMO, you understand? And this can also be done from your mobile phone. So on your mobile phone, you just have to enter your username, which is your nickname. So let me just enter simply DMO, which is your nickname, you understand? Then enter your email address. Then after your email address, you enter your password, and after your password, you confirm your password. Then you scroll down and make sure that you confirm that your upline is simply DMO. So you just have to make sure that your upline is simply DMO. Then enter your captcha, which is 331, you understand? Then click on continue and wait for it to load up. After you sign up, it will take you to this pop-up menu whereby it shows a bonus page. So this is where you will be getting your free $20 worth of BTC to make your first trade on this platform. So you just have to join the Telegram community to activate it, then come back to this platform, and you can see that this is exactly how it looks like on mobile phone. And the free $20 you got from this platform has already been activated on a trade, which means that automatically you are using that free $20 to make profit for yourself, and within short period of time you'll be able to get returns. So with that being said, when you create an account on this platform, you just have to log in, and on this platform there are three major ways you can make money from it: the manual trading, automatic trade, and the liquidity farming. So basically, the manual trade, you just have to go through the product section, over around it, then click manual trading. Then it will take you to this manual trade section. So this errors is as a result of the load, the traffic this website is getting, you understand? So this is basically how the manual trade look like. You can see that you can select exchanges, then look at your right, you can see your fees and you can see your estimated profit, then click create order after imputing your amount, you understand? So this is what I'm still going to show you. So you need to click select exchanges, then select an exchange. Remember, you are buying from this person, so you are buying low and selling high, so look for the lowest price. You can see 24,400. Then the selling exchange, you have to click on it, then look for the highest exchange, the price, you understand. You can see OB is 27,700 and click on it, and you just have to enter an amount. So let me put 75% so I can show you a live withdrawal from this platform. So after entering your balance, you understand, the amount you want to trade with, you make sure everything is correct and click create order, and you can see that your order have been successfully created, you understand. So that's basically how it is. So you need to come back after 24 hours to trade again, because this is manually and it is done 4 times every 24 hours. So that is it, you understand. So after that, when I come back to my balance, you can see that I'm left with $52.5, and you can see that 75% have left my wallet, which means that $157 or $158 have left my wallet, you understand. So from this my $52, I'm going to show you how to withdraw. So you need to come to your wallet, then you can see the crypto which you have. You can see that I have $52 in Bitcoin. So all you just need to do is to click withdraw from any of the crypto you have. So you can see that mine is Bitcoin. So I click withdraw and enter my Bitcoin address. And remember that the minimum is 0.37. So I will enter 0.4 and take note of the fee. Then click proceed. And that is it. You can see that my withdrawal is successful created. So I just have to wait between 10 to 45 minutes, which is stated. Then with that, my withdrawal will be reflected on my Bybit account. So when I come back to my balance, you can see that I'm now left with $41, you understand. So that's basically how to use this platform. And before I end this video, I also want to show you the automated trading mode and the yield farming, and also their premium offer, you understand. But don't forget that I'm also going to make another follow-up video when I want to withdraw my total money on the 23rd of October. So make sure that you subscribe and stick around. So you can see that on my automated trade, you can currently see that I have 2 trades that are open, and the 2 trade comprises of the free $20 that is being given to me and my $150 that I deposited, which have already given me $30 in profit, you understand. So that is basically what is on this trading history section. You can also play around it and try to understand it, you understand, but it is very easy. So I suggest that you take action right now. So when I click the details of my order, you'll be able to understand everything that is going on the back end of this transaction, you understand. So you can see that they are buying it from Binance and selling it at KuCoin. So you can see that the price difference is your profit, and that is basically how this platform works. And now the best way to make money from this platform is the automated trading, which is done automatically. Remember, the manual trading is done manually and you have to come back every hour or every day to enter the trade again. But this automated trading, you just have to select the days you want. The minimum is 30 days. Then select your crypto you want to trade, the pairs, you understand. Then you enter the trade, and automatically the advanced algorithm will take advantage of the price of the crypto you selected from different exchanges and try to maximize profit for you. And on a daily basis, you'll be seeing your profit. And at the end of the 30 days or the days you selected, the capital that you used to trade and your profit will just show up on your account. So you can decide if you want to go again for another 30 days or you want to withdraw your profit. And I would suggest that after your first 30 days, make sure that you withdraw your capital and use your profits to trade, so that within the next few months, you are already in profit 200% or 300%, you understand. So upon saying that, you just have to enter an amount, and remember the minimum is 0.01 BTC. Then after that, you just have to click on create, then your order will be open. And the third way you can make money from this platform is through liquidity farming. This is basically simple. You are providing liquidity to this platform, and this platform will use that money to also make arbitrage transaction, and with that you earn some commission from what they get. And this liquidity farming is where there's more money, you understand. So you can see that within a trade you can make up to 0.2% to 0.4%, and the deposit rate is between $100 to $5,000, you understand. And you can see that for you to trade, you just have to click start farming, and you can see that it is unlimited, but this time it has to do with some longer period of time, you understand. So when I click start farming, you'll be able to see that the time range is 3 months, so you have to wait for 3 months, you understand. And you select your crypto, and you can see that the minimum is between $100 to $5,000. So let me just put 1 BTC, you understand, for instance, and scroll down. You'll be able to see how much I'll be making. So within the end of 3 months, I'll be making 0.1 BTC, which is like 18% of what I started with. So that is basically how this platform make money for users, you understand? So if you have the money, then you just have to take advantage now that you are watching this video. And also remember that within the next few days, I'll be making follow-up videos on this platform so that you stay updated on what is new on this platform and when to cash out, you understand? So with that being said, make sure you drop a sub to the channel and like this video. And most importantly, make sure you join the Telegram community with the link below for you to get updates even before I upload any video here on YouTube. So with that being said, the best way for you to make money on this platform without spending any dollar is through affiliate marketing. So when you come to this refer for profit, you will see your dashboard and your earnings. Currently you can see that mine is empty, you understand? So basically, this is where all your data will be stored, your upline, your downline, your profits, and if you are making any improvement and your analytics, you understand? So basically what you'll be doing is to refer people to this platform, and when they use this platform using your referral link, you can make up to 1% to 10% of their own profits. So meaning that if somebody use $1,000 to trade on this platform and they make $100, you'll be making $10 from that $100, you understand? So that is basically how it works, and it is very easy to do it because this platform also make it easy for you to refer people to this platform. So on this promo material tab, you'll be able to see all the information that you may need to refer people to this platform. So when I click text, you can see everything. You can see a startup line and how to convince people or how to make people understand this platform better so that they can take advantage of it using your links, and with that you earn commission from their own trade. And when you come to the presentation tab, you'll be able to see a banner, everything, you understand? So in case you want to do publication on this platform, and the goal there is just to make sure that people use your link to register, you understand? Because I know someone that I've made over $60,000 from affiliate marketing, and it is really paying. So if you're able to work the affiliate marketing work, then you'll be able to make even more than, you understand? And there's no limit of how much you can make on that affiliate marketing alone. And most importantly, you're also getting a free $20 to make your first trade. And I'll suggest that if you're a newbie, make sure that you take advantage of this platform now that it is new, and you can use my link below this video to get started. Now before I end this video, there's something I want to show you. When you come to this early premium section, you'll be able to see two features: a free plan which has to do with one trade per day, meaning that if you are using the free plan, you can only trade once a day, you understand? The advanced algorithm can only trade once a day for you with 6 different exchanges and just within a 24-hour period, and your withdrawal is 1%. But when you upgrade to this premium plan, you'll be able to see that you can open 6 trades every day, you understand? And orders are done within 4 hours, and it is automated mode, you understand? And it is done within 12 exchanges, and personal support is also involved. But what you need is $300 worth of BTC to upgrade, you understand? So if you want to trade something like $5,000, $10,000, I would suggest that you take your time to upgrade, you understand? And when you upgrade, you'll be able to take advantage of the premium features to make even more money for yourself, because instead of you waiting for one day, within 4 hours your order have been completed and you'll be able to see your profit, you understand? So that's basically how it is. So with that being said, if you have any question, you just have to let me know below this video and I will take my time to review it. And also you can ask your questions on their own Telegram community. And if you know this video is really helpful to you, make sure you show it by dropping a sub to the channel and like this video, and as well join my Telegram community so that you don't miss any future updates. And as you might already know, I'm DMO. So thank you for watching and see you on my next video.